You have been following your diet plan for days, but one day you wake up craving pizza. Has it ever happened to you? Did you know that happiness isn't only a state of mind? It's also directly linked to the chemical processes of our body. According to studies, hormones are usually the ones to blame for these sudden cravings. They stimulate sensations and play an important role on your mental state and in your capability to feel pleasure. In today's video, you will learn some signals that your body gives to indicate that your hormone levels are low and may even be affecting your mood. Shaking. Shaking may be caused by a lack of dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter important to neuron communication and acts in many systems in the body. It regulates voluntary movements, humor, memory, attention, pleasure, and many other things. The lack of dopamine may cause involuntary movements on your body, caused by muscle contractions, more frequently on the hands. It can also be a symptom of neurological diseases like Parkinson's. Insomnia. Like dopamine, serotonin is also considered the hormone of happiness and pleasure and has the function of conducting nervous impulses from one neuron to the other. Insomnia is one of the signs of low levels of serotonin, creating trouble to sleep and mood alterations. Constant stress, depression, and a sedentary lifestyle are generally the causes of this problem. Weight gain. Besides shaking, lack of dopamine also leads to weight gain. The consumption of unhealthy foods and low levels of dopamine may induce you to overeating. It happens because your body is trying to get more of the hormone through foods to compensate what it's lacking, and many times it results in binge eating. Food cravings. Have you ever craved something very specific? It indicates that your body has a low level of serotonin. Foods rich in sugar and starch increase the concentration of this hormone, and it improves your mood. The problem is that when the serotonin levels drop again, it ends up turning into a vicious cycle because you keep going after these foods. Headaches. Headaches can happen because of the lack of progesterone, another hormone related to humor. Many times this headache can result in a migraine. In pregnant women, the change in progesterone levels is associated with tiredness, intestinal and digestion problems, and mood swings. If this is your case, talk to a doctor. Another hormone that influences women's health and mood is estrogen. Low levels of estrogen may cause breast sensitivity, and it doesn't happen only during their periods. Very interesting, don't you think so? Did you know that there's a relation between empathy and oxytocin? This substance, known as the love hormone, affects humor and social bonding. So if you have trouble recognizing facial expressions or have trouble relating to other people, your oxytocin levels may be low. Do you feel happy? Have you ever noticed one of these symptoms in your body? Tell us how you felt and what you did to change it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.